Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to search for a PDF in Gmail Spaces on your PC, following the latest update. If you've shared or received important documents in a space and need to find them quickly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. This will give you access to all your chats and collaborative features. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is Google's app launcher, which helps you access various services. Click on those 9 dots and a menu will pop up showing you different options. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you directly to the chat interface where you can view all your conversations and spaces. It's an essential step to reach the content you need. Now, from the left side menu, click on Spaces. This will show you all the collaborative spaces you're part of, where discussions and files are shared among team members. Once you've accessed the Spaces section, locate the specific space where the PDF was shared. Click on it to enter that space. This is where all the discussions and shared media reside, so you'll be in the right place to look for your document. At the top of the space, you'll notice a search icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This search feature is incredibly useful for filtering through the content shared within the space. Now, type in the keywords related to the PDF you're searching for. Whether it's the document title, a specific topic, or any relevant term, entering those keywords will help you quickly locate the PDF you need. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for a PDF in Gmail Spaces. With these easy steps, you can efficiently find important documents and enhance your collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching.